Hello, today we're going to be doing an unboxing for the Love with Food box. It's a subscription box that comes once a month. The really great thing about this box is that for each person that buys one, they actually donate a meal to somebody that's in need. So that's exactly why this is one of my favorite boxes. Here we go. We're going to go ahead and open it up, and I also have my my blogging help here. Brooke is going to help me take pictures and go over what's in the box with me. So the theme for this one is Healthy Snack Finds by Healthy Grocery Girl. So this paper comes in the box, and it's going to tell us what all of the different snacks are, whether it's gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and it gives a little bit of description. And then on the back it tells a little bit about who Healthy Grocery Girl is. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. Let's see what snacks we have.
This is a magazine, so you know what healthy fruits and vegetables and medicine you should take and stuff.
Oh yeah? Okay. How about you come over here so you could see it too? Alright, first off, we have Bops baked organic potato snacks with a sea salt flavor. That sounds good. We all like potato chips, right? Can't wait to give those ones a try.
And you can have them. I don't really like too much want chips too much.
Oh, you don't want chips? Oh, okay. See, she's taking her blogging pictures of everything. She's such a good helper.
This is some potato chips.
And then next we have, oh boy, I think you're gonna like this one. We have Annie's Homegrown Bunny Grams in chocolate flavor.
Yes, eat that one.
Oh, you want to eat that one? Yeah, that one does sound good. We'll have to share that one.
Yeah.
All right.
These are like Bunny Grams, but they taste like chocolate.
Oh yeah, chocolate's our favorite, right? Next, we're having the Turbana plantain chips, and they are lightly salted. So if you are plantain chip fans, I have never tried that before. I am not the biggest fan of plantain, so I'm not sure how I like these, but we'll definitely be giving them a try.
I don't really care for chips, and I don't really want chips too much, so I only want take chips.
Oh, okay.
And these are chips that look like little donuts. Look at okay, look.
Oh, they do kind of look like donuts in the picture, huh?
And they're chips.
All right, plantains. All right, next we have 2 Noms. The raw. Almond butter cacao truffle. Oh boy, another chocolatey delicious treat here. 100% organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, kosher. That one's gonna be like a treat.
I'm gonna get a bunch of pictures of that.
Oh, you're gonna get a bunch of that one? Oh, that's the winner? Oh yeah.
And this one is the winner too.
Oh, okay. So far, well, we haven't finished, so we gotta see what else is in this box.
Because this is the ones that are not the winners, and these are the ones that are not, and these are the winners, and this is the made-up.
Okay.
We don't have anything for the
No.
made-up except this. Look.
And those are just maybes. We haven't tried them yet, so we can't say anything. So these are the good beans. These are roasted chickpeas with sea salt. Oh, I like chickpeas. I'm excited to give this a try. I've never tried roasted chickpeas, so I like to cook with them, but I've never tried them this way, so I'm excited to try those ones. Next, we have 180 degrees nutty rice bites with cranberries. Dry roasted. Oh, I think you might like these. These might be kind of like, maybe like granola type bites, maybe,
Ooh.
or like rice cakes mixed with nuts and berries. That sounds good.
That's gonna be right here.
All right, and then we have
that's gonna be in the middle.
Miracle Tree Moringa Organic Tea and Mango. Ah, tea. We love tea, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh.
And I've never tried mango one.
I know. We have to brew that one up soon. Give that one a try.
That one's gonna be this. I mean this.
Okay, and then next we have hemp hearts, raw shelled hemp seeds, natural, sprinkle on salad, cereal, and yogurt. This sounds interesting. I've never tried hemp seeds before.
Just put that in the middle. 3 piles.
All right, next we have these little candies here. Let's see what they are. They are Choco Chews.
What are chocolate chews?
Something chocolatey. Not sure, but there's a few of them in here, so we each can have one. And Daddy could have, well, Daddy doesn't like chocolate, so he won't want to have one. But we could share them.
Yeah.
And then we have some coupons here. Save $1 on 2 Moms in the Raw. We have a gift card here for Urban Remedy. We have hemp foods are easy to use. Oh, okay. It tells you how to use those hemp seeds.
And this tells you how to use healthy foods and hemp seeds.
And then we have talking about the Turbana plantain chips a little bit. We got another coupon.
They're talking about the plain. What are these?
The plantain chips.
The plantain chips.
Yeah, no, don't put it too close. There we go, so you can see it through there. Don't want to put it too close, then it gets blurry.
But what if you do it too far like this?
Well, you can still see it in there. All right, and then we got another coupon for some laksa noodles and Thai curry and lime broth. And we have
Coupon. Maybe we'll
talking a little bit about some pad see noodles.
They're talking about some noodles and stuff.
And last but not least, we have Miracle Tree Discover Moringa. So this is about the tea that was in the box.
What's tea does?
The mango tea that we're going to give a try. Yeah. So this is just telling you that it's sugar and caffeine free, crafted with conscious, made with love.
Aww.
And we are done. Yum, 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 it says. I can't wait to give these a try.
Me
Look
too.
at all these different treats we got here.
Me too. I wish we could eat them all now, but we could eat a couple.
All right, we're going to go eat some of these yummy snacks. Say bye.
Bye.